Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.2 question number 2. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Let us take a line 5.5 centimeter. For that, first of all, take a ruler. Here I have taken ruler, and with a measurement of 5.5 centimeter, we take a line. From here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5.5. 3, 4, 5.5. Here you've taken a line that is 5.5 centimeter. You have to construct an equilateral triangle, that means all the sides are equal. Let us take a compass. Let us take a compass here. Here we have taken a compass, right? Now here you see, if you take this compass at this point, there is this pointer here. Now take this pointer here and take the measurement of this length. The length is 5.5 centimeter, 3.5, 4.7, 4.8, 4.5.2, 5.3, 5.5. This is 5.5. Here you see, this is 5.5. Now we'll draw an arc here with this pointer, right? Let us draw an arc here. Take this pointer here and draw an arc. Again, take this pointer here and draw another arc, right? Now with the help of this ruler, with the help of this ruler, we join this point. Join this point. Join this point. With the help of this scale, join this point. Now join this point. Right? And also join this point also. Now join this point. Now here we are getting one equilateral triangle with side. Suppose this one is A, this is B, this is B, and this is C point. Right? BC is 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. AB is also 5.5 centimeter, 5 0.5 centimeter, and AC is also 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter, right? That means all the sides are equal. That is, we have constructed an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.